Hello and welcome to a new video. In today's video I will show you how to switch to walking directions on Google Maps. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps and after that choose your destination. For example, I will choose like a hotel near to me, and after that I will click on direction. And as you can see on direction, there is multiple options. And to switch to walking directions, I have just to click here on the walking icon. And as you can see, it will give me now the walking direction directly to my destination. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and see you